I left Austin on Highway 290, just glad to be headed west. Looking for some peace and quiet, God knows I needed the rest. The only constant in my life was one we all call change. So I was headed to the hills to clear my mind and to take a break from the game. The small green sign said Utopia, only 29 miles away. I figured it was as good a place as any to spend a couple of days. The name brought visions of a beautiful place built by God above, with huge green trees of grace and mercy and bubbling brooks of love. So I took Maine to a local motel that was painted dandelion yellow. The place was run by an easygoing woman and her son, a sandy-haired fellow. They said I had the pick of the room, so I chose the governor's suite. Little did I know how important that was as I laid down to sleep. Oh, Utopia in Uvalde County, what are you doing to me? I headed west for a break from the race, but you're trying to break me free. Driving through these Texas hills is all the beauty I can stand. For living in Utopia is only topped by the promised land. The governor's suite had big bay windows on the east side and the west. When I awoke to God's sunrise, I knew that I'd been blessed. I'd never seen the sun so big or those colors across the sky. After witnessing his handiwork, I thought I'd surely die. But I had a dream there in the night of a cabin on a hill, and I knew if I found that place, then living there was his will. So I started my day with breakfast, sobbing with biscuits till I was done. Then over cattle guards and low water crossings, I was searching for the one. Oh, Utopia in Uvalde County, what are you doing to me? I headed west for a break from the race, but you're trying to break me free. Driving through these Texas hills is all the beauty I can stand. For living in Utopia is only topped by the promised land. My spirit was dragging as the Texas heat melted my desire to go on. A new tank of gas and 3 bean burritos helped me make it to the dawn. But after 2 days of absolutely nothing, I gave up my quest. Maybe God didn't really want me here, maybe this was only a test. Then suddenly from 2 miles away, I saw the vision from my dream. And I sped up as the excitement grew. Could it be just as it seemed? Then I blew through a fork in the road, missed a sign and spun out in the sand. And I backed up and with amazement read, welcome to the promised land. Oh, Utopia in Uvalde County, what are you doing to me? I headed west for a break from the race, but you're trying to break me free. Driving through these Texas hills is all the beauty I can stand. For living in Utopia is only topped by the promised land. Yes, just south of Utopia I found the promised land.